So this is the product here. It's called Tauri. It's a temperature check tablet. It comes in 3 sizes, a 10-inch, a 15-inch, and a 21-inch. You can get it on a stand or with a wall mount. It's a great pivot for you, Paul. You've done a great job with this. Now I want you to show it to us. So go ahead, show us the product there.
Okay, so great. Hopefully you can see it fairly well. Right now, the point is I'm going to kind of show it. You'll see there's a secondary monitor that's not plugged in right now. All these models have an HDMI output on it. So if somebody wants to remote view even further away, they can plug it into the HDMI port and it will show it on a secondary monitor far away. If it's further than the typical HDMI, and this is a shameless plug, we do make HDMI extension products. So got to throw a shameless plug in there. So getting back to this, as you can see, I'm getting within it. You want to be within 3.3 feet to get more accurate. So right now, I'm probably at about 3.3 feet, and you can see the temperature's going up, and it fluctuates all in real time. And over here, it's measuring the thermal imagery of my forehead and the hottest point on my body. And as you can see over here, it's saying that I passed.
97.6 degrees, normal.
Yeah, it's fluctuating. So it's varying, it's moving, as you could see, and it's quick. So even though we say about a second, you really want people to stand there for like, I don't know, a second, 2 seconds, just let it settle, because it does fluctuate, it moves, but it's all in real time. If I do something like have a hot compress on my head, it's going to pick that up. So this is a simple screen. Now,
yeah, this is a great opportunity for AV integrators to provide a product that not only can be a digital sign, but also provides this temperature capabilities. It's pretty simple to use.
So here we go. Like right now, I'm going to purposely make this fail, and I'm going to set it to 98. So here's the volume range. I'll raise it up a little bit so you can hear it more, so it's more annoying.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you see what's happening?
Yeah.
It hit the trigger point. So the point is, if you're over here, I walk in and watch what happens. I come in, I'm now about within range, and you see I just started triggering the fails because right on that threshold. As soon as you see that happening, now you got to make a decision. Do you want to move them over to a secondary station and do a further examination on it? Because there's other factors that people don't realize.
Yeah. Not everybody's temperature is exactly the same.
No, and to make it very clear, this is not some COVID detection device. It's not a flu detection. This is a temperature sensor. A person can have an infection and still have a temperature.
Yeah.
So that's why I do make it very clear to set expectations with this product. The greatest thing about it is it screens people. It's a safety measure to at least isolate out something that's definitive. If this thing shows that you have like 101 and over, you got a fever most likely. And yes, still secondary check it, but something is going on and that person could potentially be a liability. Even if they have an infection, you got a person with a fever in your facility, that is a liability if they pass out or anything happens. And that's the point of this, is it will actually do that. And
yeah, this is kind of, I could see all the urgent cares using this in their lobbies when you first walk in, and have sort of 2 different waiting rooms, one with people with fevers and one with people without, to try to keep in the future. We're talking about social distancing, sort of keep people separated.
And there you go. There's your secondary monitor. So for people wondering, well, do I have to be near it all the time? No, you don't.
Yeah. So you can monitor whoever's monitoring the front desk can do that.